My name is Rob Pritchett. I'm one of the techs that work with Arctic Reflections. My role, I guess, in the project is maintenance, logistics, and just trying to keep everything running.
Oh, I'm Carl Kunelushi from thicken.org.
So we had to make the way a little smoother so that our ice cream could travel a lot.
My name is Tom and I'm managing the overall management of this field site. So trying to get people to the right place, try to find out where the holes have to be drilled, make sure that a polar bear cart is at the right place.
I'm Wietse, I'm a data analyst for Arctic Reflections, and that means that I have a lot of different data, remote sensing and also in situ measurements, and we're trying to translate that to information so we can derive insights from that.
My name is Cody. I'm the lead researcher.
I'm Faye and I'm taking ice cores and water measures to do salinity, temperature, and nutrients, so nitrate, phosphate, dissolved silica, and chlorophyll. As well as I'm going to take a few extras to preserve and see if I can identify any of the plankton in it.
I'm looking for the impact of our pumping operations.